Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best lighting for your vlog, so that by the end of this video, you're going to know what are you going to know anything? Am I going to teach you anything? I don't know. And by the end of this video, you're going to be able to identify areas for the best lighting, for workable lighting, two types of lighting to avoid, and lighting so bad you may as well just make a podcast instead. But you know, bad lighting. I'll show you what bad lighting is and how you can avoid it, which you'll discover is pretty easy. I'll also show you samples of each type of lighting so that you can see with your eyes what that looks like. The reason why I'm doing this video is because when you're vlogging, a little bit different from taking photos is you're always moving. Like, see, I'm moving right now and the light changes and you're kind of like, where is the best lighting? At the same time, there is a way to work around getting the best lighting. So it's also really important because when you are vlogging, aka chatting to the camera, or you have a specific point that you want to mention or a message that you want to impart, you want the focus to be on you. This video should help you manage all of the lighting changes that you will experience when you're vlogging on the go, and help you be able to pick certain moments to do your big chat to cam piece and some of your scenic pieces. Yes, I got through that intro. Before we can get to talking about all the different types of lighting, let's first identify what is good light. Good light is pretty much how I look right now. What I mean by that is, see, there are no real shadows on my face. My face is clearly in focus. There are no harsh shadows, there's no harsh light. Basically, you can just focus on what it is that I'm saying to you, apart from my hand gestures, which I can't seem to control. Okay, let's talk about how to find the best lighting. The best lighting, here's a shortcut, is under a roof. Let's say if you're in a building standing in front of a window with the light facing you, basically somewhere where you're surrounded by light and have something covering you. This cover is avoiding the sun from falling directly on your face. Now let me show you what it's going to look like when I step into direct sunlight without a cover. This is direct sunlight. So direct sunlight isn't too bad. As you can still see my face, but you can still see the shadows that are casted on my face. Notice I'm going to turn now. This is direct sunlight facing my face, and then I'm going to turn around and you'll start to see the shadows sort of change. Now by the time I turn all the way around, the light is coming from behind me, and now my face is a little bit darker. Now, depending on the quality of your camera, sometimes your camera might adjust itself to be able to balance the very bright background and lighting your face. At the moment, I'm vlogging with a Nikon Z50, which means that it's a pretty good quality camera. It's doing the job of adjusting sort of the light on my face and the light behind me. Now, I'm going to go here. I'm going to go inside just to show you a little bit more of a drastic difference between the best lighting and backlighting. But as I enter, I still face the outside. That's where the sun is coming from, and it's still nice, right? But look, if I'm inside the cafe and I want to vlog like this, I'm going to go far deep inside. Now when I face the outside, you can still see my face really well. So this is a great time for me to do a chat to cam piece, or talk a lot more in detail where it's just you and me and no distractions. But if I really was so interested in showing you my background and was more focused on that, this is what it would look like. I think this camera is too good because it keeps adjusting the light. You know what? Let me do a sample with my phone. This is backlighting with my phone. So the lighting is coming from the back, and you can see the harshness of the light is creating it's kind of like a distracting halo around me. But again, even with my phone, if I stand facing the light and having cover over me, that you can see my face clearly. So it works no matter what device you have. You'll see I'm standing underneath a tree. If I stand under some of the palms, you can see that the light sort of changes and it's not consistent. This can be okay because you can see if I stand in one area, it's flat, but then if I stand over here, it goes. So it can be a little bit distracting. This is me filming from a place with bad light. Currently, my light is on, but as it goes away, you're gonna see this is bad light. Need I say any more? Should I even bother taking a selfie so that you can see what this looks like? This can still be edited via an editing tool, but I mean, this is what we're working with. It's quite hard, isn't it? Okay, so tell me if you agree with this. I would rather see a well-lit subject and an average-looking background rather than an amazing background and not be able to see the person speaking in front of the camera very well. That's my personal preference, and normally when people ask me questions about photography, content creation, videography, I always say prioritize lighting the subject, because that's why they're the subject, because they're the hero. But that is my personal preference, so tell me, do you agree with that? Also, if you are interested in learning a little bit more about vlogging, aka video blogging, I'm going to be in Sydney on November the 13th and in Melbourne on November the 21st as part of Nikon's roadshow, where I'm going to be teaching vlogging fundamentals. So lighting is one aspect, then we're going to talk about things like scripting, what else? Sound, angles, and a few other things. Also, it's going to be super hands-on. The equipment is provided, so if you want to see what it feels like to sort of have this camera and how to maneuver it and then talk to your audience through the camera, that is the perfect time. I'm putting all of the information to this vlog in the description box of this video. Registrations are required, so if you are keen, make sure that you do register. I'll see you in the next episode. Oh, should I hop into some direct lighting? Boom. I feel like I'm a different person. Go back into the good lighting. Go back into the good lighting. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please pop them in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, ding, please do. See you in the next video, or see you at the workshops in Sydney or Melbourne.